sponsors my 1996 GMC Sierra project truck for the woods. Today I'll be changing the 4x4 actuator on the front differential. So change it, just crawl underneath the front of your truck, and there's your front diff up there, and there's your actuator. So you have to unplug your wire. Once you get it unplugged there, you just flip her up over and take an adjustable wrench and unscrew this. Just turn it out then. And it'll pull right out. So you're going to want to make sure that your old one is the same as your brand new one. Just check. Make sure they look the same threads and all that stuff. Same plugs. Then you just go and put her back in. Put it in, just thread it with your hand. Don't put a wrench on the first thing. Then you can tighten her. So once you got her tightened up, just throw it up over the axle there so you don't rip it off and anything. It's like as less slack as possible. So once you plug in your wire, you should be able to just switch it to 4 high easy, 4 low. Should go right in. And there, it's in there. So that's how you change your 4-wheel drive actuator.